I just checked my phone and I find out that some people, there's a trending news, you understand, as you can see on the title, about the Biafran lobby. So I have no other choice than to do this quick recording video because you can see there's nothing like editing here. So we're gonna stream it and I will release it that way because it's a quick reaction. Many people have reacted on that and I have not gone through what the people said. But let me tell you this, because I'm not surprised about the decision of Elias, the Biafran, one of the lobby. Elias, many of you know him. He posted something and said that he's now, working with the Ogenkere. And many Biafrans, that did not go down well with Biafrans. I'm not surprised at all because I knew that he is a very good friend of, because the guy's name is questionable. Nobody knows his name. I'm talking about Ogenkere. Some call him Isaiah, some call him Ogenkere. I don't even know his name, but you already know the individual. So why I said I'm not surprised, because Elias is his friend, and both of them have been working, in making sure that Biafran keep on donating money and, giving you information that may not be true. I'm not saying, I don't know, you understand? I'm not here to tell you that they're not doing anything in the US. I don't know his work, but no matter what you are doing for Biafrans, as long as you are working with somebody that Biafrans that are not even, Biafrans are not in support of him being a leader, or as he claimed that he is today, nobody expects him to lead anything apart from those who have ulterior motive, those who have one or two things that are benefiting from that. Just like me, I know many people don't like me, but many people like me. So people that love me outnumber the people that hate me. It is normal. But in this issue of this being using different account, even they know. Chamaka said it in one of his videos that don't follow multitude. When he said multitude, it means that people that are following serious outnumber those that are following the guy called Ogenkere. And all of them have something to benefit. 80% of people in that group have somehow contributed in one or two illegal business in the Biafra movement. If you check their activities in the past, they have joined hands in one time. Just go and check their history. They have already done something that you will say, when you look at it, you say, wow, this is criminal activities, something that you will know that genuine people will not appreciate. They have one time in their past get involved in some of the things that you may not like. All of them that are showing their strength, they have one criminal record in this movement. Now, COS have actually reacted on that, and the reaction is what I want to go through first before we move to other things, because there's a lot of things to say here. Now, as you can see here, this is from COS, okay? She said, breaking, the United Biafra government in exile, they see this Biafra government, de facto government is one and none a nation with all the rights, protections, and privilege therein. Now, what CS is trying to say here is that before now we can say Biafra government in exile and other, but now it is not a nation because it has been declared. Our Prime Minister has contracted with various legal and lobby firms towards the success of our Biafra independence as a nation, and that is currently ongoing. This morning, December 31st, 2024, I followed up with one of the lobby firm on a meeting and discussion based on the task our PM Simon Ekpa gave them, of which I am fully aware of, and also based on a various meeting I had with the lobbyist and one of the attorney on December 10th, 2024. This is message I sent on 12th of December, on December 31st, 2024. Now, greeting and happy holiday, Elias. This message, COS made this message for Elias. I know you are still on holiday and would not want to bother you. He said, I know that you are still on holidays and would not want to bother you with United States of Biafra issue. I don't know if you saw my 2 previous messages to you on different dates. All right? Meaning that she sent message to him and he always ignored that because he is boy Ogenkere. Okay? Now listen. The USB secretaries and cabinet would love to meet with you, your firm and attorney Debre, immediately after the new year to discuss pertinent plans concerning our new nation. Please let me know a convenient time and date. Thanks. Dr. Orabeze, COS. In response to this message, these individuals posted on Twitter false and inaccurate statements about the COS Deputy Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra. This same individual attempted to distract me in Finland on the day of the declaration, but I stood my ground. I did not discuss any individual in government with these lobbies. Now, if you pay attention from what he said here, that he tried to stop him from declaring Biafra the date. Ogenkere, trying to influence her, okay, trying to penetrate COS using his influence on Elias. So Elias trying to approach COS to change the date based on what Ogenkere is pushing. You understand that? Now, that is to tell you that he's a messenger of Ogenkere. There is no parallel government in Biafran government as noted by these lobbyists. Biafran, please ignore the distraction and confusion. Attached below is the message from the same individual previously warning our PM and myself about individuals he is currently romancing and dining to use the distract what this USB government is doing. Read attached mail from him. This individual lobbyist received the instruction from the Biafran government in exile PM Simon Ekpa that I will act as his surrogate until he joins us, but has decided to act differently with the criminals working against our independence. The United States of Biafra government is focused, working with different lobby groups and attorney contracted by our PM Simon Ekpa. We will not be moved by this distraction. Thanks. And the attached mail that you are seeing here is email from Elias, okay, to Simon, Biafran Prime Minister, and info at Iba. You can see it here. So he sent this message to PM, warning PM about the criminal element in the government, that he have done some research on him, and this is what he can come up with. He said, "Dear Mr. Prime Minister, I have begun to notice some strange things regarding your communications director, that is Minister of Information, Mr. Raphael Chiamaka Ajere, aka Pastor Van Van Van. Frankly, I had a wired feelings about him from the beginning, prompted by my instincts. I did my due diligence research into him and unexpectedly came up across a series of videos, perhaps leaked private videos, where he spoke of you quite okay, let me resume this. Okay, where he speak of you quite desperately and insultingly and insulting. Okay, a kind of even because maybe the video that he he used the other time, because I can only see one video of Chiamaka, to be honest with you, where he talked about PM. That was when he claimed that he was having issue with PM and all that. And what he said there is that it's very, very shocking, to be honest with you. So insulting, he is insulting. Here is a small sample below of what I uncovered, which you can watch and listen to. I am happy to discuss with you further, but I thought you should be aware of this. Now, you can see, I don't know what the message, the video that this guy got against Chiamaka, which is of course expected, to be honest with you, but we can only point out, we only have one video, or that video may be the one, maybe him following some video because he's good at he loved that kind of thing very well, very, very well. On his attempt to expose TOS, trying to with the guy called Okute Biafra, they were claiming that CS is following Turuba and following other people. So Biafra begin to check that who they follow as well. And when he got to the point or the turn of Chiamaka, what you can see or what pumped out it was what pumped out is him following some porn site and all that. So maybe that's one of the video that Elias attached. But you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 link. Send this link. He sent this link to PM. You may say, okay, this video, maybe this is a new one, or he just made it up. No, this is back then in August 14th, 2024, August. So a few months before the Fran declaration. Today, he is now working with the same guy that he found, some of the things that he's doing that he may not like. The one that's okay. You don't need to work with such person. But why is it that he did not research on his master? Because Ogenkere is his master. PM is just for formality, because that's the one just to make it formal. But the money and everything comes from Ogenkere. And when Biafra give money to Ogenkere, pay tell Biafrans that they are doing this, they are doing that. They were already having handshake with some. I don't want to go deeper about that, but it is very clear that some things that is not working well. That is not it's not a good sign at all that is going on. They don't understand that whatever you are doing, whatever you claim that you want to do with Biafran money or Biafrans, you need to be sure of that, because everybody is very, very, very much interested. People are aware of what you are trying to do. It is obvious that Elias is not to be trusted. For you not to see, bad side of Isaiah, it simply means that you yourself is a suspect. You yourself is a suspect, because Biafrans have actually refused to work with him, apart from some few people, just like DS. When I was making video about DS in the past, I told us that they don't even understand that they have few people following them. They actually believe that DS there are multitude. No, they are just few. And the complaint of Uchechi today about signing petitions, that Biafran are not signing petitions, that they have spent more than 3 months now to get 10,000 people to sign the petition, simply means that people in the DOS, people that are following them, are just minor. And that is what is going on in Biafran government in Israel today, by Azayoba and not Azayoba, I always say Azayoba, Azaya Ayog, that is aka Ogenkere, and Sonia Barawa, who they call what is it, Archibong, I think that is his real name, because even Sonia Barawa name is fake. Chiamaka Jere used aka Pastor Mafam. He said his name Chiamaka Jere. So these individuals, for example, have at some point in their preaching and their awareness, they have actually made mistakes. Some of them have insulted PM. Some of them have repeated it. Some have, maybe some once, some two, but all of them at one point in their so-called awareness and in Biafra movement and all that, they have insulted PM. They have done something that when you look back, to check what they have done, you'll be shocked. Not all of them. So if you see a gathering that everybody, where majority of people there have, involved in one or two criminal activities in the past, that is to tell you that the group you need to suspect it. You need to be careful with it. But it's not, to me, it doesn't matter. Even if, for example, all the cabinet member before, apart from COS, decided to work with the Ogenkere and all that, Ogenkere is not the kind of person that is going to lead you. Forget about the maybe you may say allegation about his fraudulent activities and siphoning money and all that. Forget about those ones. What about quality, leadership quality, the way he comports himself? Something that when he compare him with Uche Mefo, PM, and Oyendo Mazamonokan. Why I mention this because some people actually compare the way he talk with Uche Mefo, but Uche Mefo is more vocal. People, Biafrans complain about Uche Mefo's way of, the way he speak, not English, but the energy in his words is quite, some people, when some people talk, you feel dizzy, like you want to sleep because of the energy that comes from what they're saying. The energy that they display out is very, very weak. This Ogenkere own is times 10 weaker than even Uche Mefo. So these are things you need to put into consideration. And some people don't understand that Elias have been dining and whining with this man, Ogenkere. And don't expect Elias to do otherwise. But COS, as a professional, gave him benefit of that, trying to work with him. And the evidence is what I just read for you now. Because everything is in public. Go to COS, you see it there. Go to COS handle, you will see it there. If you ask them, what is your problem with COS? They will turn around and tell you she's agent of Nigeria, that she has been in Nigeria working for Nigeria and all that. They forgot to tell Biafran that even Mazamakano have also worked for Nigeria in the past, even PM. We saw a video of Mazamakano protesting against Boko Haram and betterment of Nigeria. And we have seen a video of PM like this one here, speaking in favor of Nigeria. You can see Nigerian flag discussing about election in Nigeria. So sometimes we need to call a spade, but because of hatred, they will always find a way to paint everything good and pretend that everything is all right. But it's not. Like I said, profiles of individual cannot give Biafra. And the tactics they want to use now to siphon money is that this lobby is working for recognition. Which country will recognize you when you have fewer people following you from the country that you say that you are fighting for? Which country? They will deceive you that country, don't worry, it's coming. They're going to recognize you. They will deceive you by that, and you keep on donating money. The only way out is to understand that Biafra movement is not about for a particular individual. You need to carry everybody along. Yes, it's not everybody, but at least people that will at once have the same view with you. You need to carry them along, because all this let him stay aside. But you see, this is, you are insisting, and that means you have proved that what Biafran think or the thought of Biafrans about you is fact, that you are in for destruction, nothing for good, not for anything good. Not for anything good. And that is the problem. That's a very, very, very big problem. Unless you realize this, you are not going to make any headway. So, my people, I just want to write on it because I'm not here to tell you should not donate money to anybody. It's your money. If you want to give your money to Boko Haram, it's up to you. But my own is to tell you the truth. To react on the thing that I know that is fact. I'm not here to make it for you to like me. No. You don't need to like me. You don't need to hate me. People that will like me will like me. People that will hate me, of course, will hate me. I always say that I always enjoy reading comments from people, from haters. Why? It makes me feel that what I'm doing is right. Because it will be, I will suspect myself if everybody is praising. Mass, you are, oh, can I report you are good? No. I also want to pay attention to people that have some bad thing to say. But my intention is to, that people who will understand me or who find what I'm saying, to be truth, they will outnumber those who have negative things to say. That is the way to go. But this idea of you must follow me, you must go through me, is a lie. You can never get it that way. As they're dragging this position and claiming that they're this, they're that, okay? As they're dragging that, Nigerian government is working very, very hard, probably with the help of those ones who want to be prime minister by fire by force. To do what? To repatriate PM back to Nigeria. But every now and then you see their title. This one is a place that it place to work with the deputy PM. This one the place to work with the Biafra that you guys declared is not. I mean, things were better before you declared Biafra. Now that you declared Biafra, it shows you cannot see that your weakness. Here is Nigerian news today about. As you can see, this is just 5 hours out of the time I'm recording this video from Nigerian Stories. And I've actually saw the same headline in Sahara Reporter. Okay, I believe you can see it properly now. You can see it. Requirements for Simon Ekpa's extradition forwarded to Finnish government, Chief of Defense. Are you following it now? If they succeed in sending PM, because now I don't trust the Finnish government based on the pressure in their, that are going to them, and nobody is resisting that from, trying to reply them or resist them from Biafran government. Nobody. What they are focusing on is fight, division. While you are doing that, your enemy is designing another tactics to finish what they started with the help of insider, with the help of people who claim they are fighting for Biafra. How can you explain this to us? How can you justify this? The same Elias that is talking now, trying to claiming that he's doing Biafra a favor. Okay, the same man. Cosos have actually accused him in the past for working for Nigeria government. I'm not here to tell you that it's true, but I saw a post from one of the US members before I started recording this video saying that Alias is the one, or he's part of people that provide evidence against PM. I don't trust what the US member says, but seeing the kind of, taking side that he's taking now, it is obvious that you can't trust such a man. You cannot do that. Or not. I was told that he used my video to make video, and I'm still waiting. If you see, please, if you're watching the video and you have opportunity to lay hand on the broadcast of Chamaka where he used my video, I want to watch that video to know what he said, because I have a lot to say about him. If you just bring the video, I'm just trying to follow follow it the way it is. I don't want to go walk faster than my shadow. But if you want to walk faster than me, I will speed up my own. So please, if you have access to that video, contact me through my email on the video, the description of the video. If you check the description of the video, you will see it. Okay, I have my email there. Contact me so that I will give you, or if you have my WhatsApp number, you can forward it to my WhatsApp number. Send the link there so that I will watch the video and I will do my own response to that. Thank you so much and God bless you. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Okay, be very, very careful and vigilant. Don't panic. Elias is not the one that he doesn't have much to offer. That's not the fact. Everything you are doing there, they only go there and take photo, snap and we know all those things. But time will tell. Like I said, our freedom cannot come from anybody that don't like you, people who actually want to destroy you. Like I said, Nigerian government is working, pushing with the help of these people that you are dragging, who will be minister of Biafra, who will be deputy minister of Biafra. As you focus on that, behind they are working with Nigerian government to bring PM back. That is why they're speeding up the attack, claiming they're going to fight Finland, claiming they're going to do the. If you have not watched the video, please follow us very, very well, so that any video that we publish here, you will be connected. So that you can add 1 + 1 to make it to form 2. What they are doing is to provide evidence to back up what the Nigerian government, what Musa, the man they call General Musa, what he said, that they have submitted a file for extradite people. Yesterday, I told us about this guy. I'm not going to play because we're about to close the video. So if you have not watched this video, please go and watch it. What this guy said here. What they're doing is to use this evidence to back up the extradition of the PM with the help of the man that is sharing it, which is Chiamaka Jere. Be very, very, very vigilant and watchful. Ị ka na-achọkwa enemy gị na ọ nọ na Kaduna. Lekwa ha na ha nọkwa gị n'ụkwụ ebe a. Anyway, my people, thank you so much, like I said, and God bless. Tell me what you think about this video and subscribe to the channel, like the video so that it will to many people, so that people will understand that the criminal that you are afraid of or you are running is already with you. Open your eyes and make your choice wisely. God bless you and bye-bye for now.